The best salads start with juicy tomatoes. These are juicy. Look at that juice. Look at it. Next, you want to slice some red onions. These look purple, but they're actually red. This one was extra special because it came with parmesan. Breathacyzers, some green sticks, some red colored green sticks, some more green sticks, some mega black beans, some fresh oregano. This one happens to be Cuban. I got a lot of it. Some olive oil, some fresh vinegar, some fresh salt from the sea. In the kitchen, S is pronounced C. Next, you want to give it a good mix Salardo, but don't overmix the salad. If you do, just mix Salardo the other way. Top it with some feta cheese. I don't have any feta, so I'm just using shredder cheese. Taste test. Salad.